While TradingView provides a lot of automated strategies which are very profitable, it does not provide an automation. For example, you need to use a external website or connector to automate the TradingView strategies. A TradingView strategy, for example, looks like this: Algo Pro version 1.4 bot. If you look at its details, you can configure it by its inputs, properties, style, visibility, and you can also configure it through its alerts. For example, I have created one alert here which is called FC Webhooks, and this is for NQ, which is for March 2026, and it uses a condition which is whenever a trigger arises from Algo Pro version 1.4 bot, and it's a 2-minute chart. This could be any strategy. The strategy tells TradingView that whenever there is an alert message from the strategy, send notifications to this URL, which we are using right now here. This could be your URL. This URL is organized through Cloudflare. In this video, we will explain how to go and set up NinjaConnects, NinjaTrader, and a tunnel from web to your computer. So basically what's been said here is any alerts which are generated by the strategy listed over here will be notified to this URL. What will be sent? Well, you can create these alerts from here, and you can have as many alerts you want to, and you can send it to different URLs. Similarly, you can set up these inputs, which is like open long command, a command which will be sent to NinjaTrader, NinjaConnects, open short command. So these commands will be sent. So TradingView cannot communicate to NinjaTrader directly. It has to communicate through a external URL. Well, this example of that external URL is that you specify notification that this is the URL which all the notifications will be sent to. So you can set this up in TradingView. Now on the NinjaTrader side, what you do is that you go to NinjaTrader.com, create an account, and onto the left hand side you will see a download button. It's free to download, it's free to use. Many prop firms provide their trading partner as TraderWeight or as NinjaTrader. So wherever you can use NinjaTrader, you can drive it from TradingView. So in order to set it up, we need to understand that NinjaConnects enables you to connect algorithmic or automated strategies from TradingView via NinjaTrader 8. So this bridge allows you to submit those trades which are generated onto the TradingView through the NinjaTrader. So in order to do that, what you do is go to Ninja. First of all, go to NinjaTrader.com like this. Log in, download, and install. In order to do so, you can watch a video which is listed here. Next thing what you will do is you'll go and you'll create an account in NinjaTrader.com, log in as log in and install the NinjaTrader on your computer, and then subscribe to CME live data for trading. The information is available on NinjaTrader.com. The next thing which you do is that you go to NinjaConnects.com and you can see all the details here. The very first thing which you will do, you will download NinjaConnects and install it into the NinjaTrader. You can go to this download link. This download link is going to take you to this drive where you can download the NinjaConnects.zip, a readme.txt, and how to set up NinjaConnects with ngrok from TV to NT, which is TradingView to NT. Once you have downloaded that from this drive, download all the things except ngrok.yml, and that all these things can live in a directory which we will call on your computer c:\NinjaConnects. Now, how to import? You can watch this video about how to import an indicator into NinjaTrader. And this file is also available as setup NinjaConnects with ngrok. Once you have done it, we'll talk about configuration of NinjaConnects later. Let's go over the next steps. You will create an account on support.ninjaconnects.com, and once you log in, or create an account, you will move forward to your user profile, which is listed here. Onto the user profile, you will click on to edit profile, and will edit profile, and you will fill in your basic information. But the most important part is that you will fill in the NT machine ID. Where will you get this machine ID? You go to NinjaTrader and go to help, you go to about, and here is your machine ID. Copy this machine ID and paste it here. Do not use this machine ID because this is defunct machine ID. It's just for demonstration purposes. So once you have entered it here and saved it through submit, you copy the machine ID, paste it here, submit it, you are done. Fill in all your profile because this will be used after, since NinjaConnects is free for use on the last month. Your first month could be your last month. You do not have to pay anything. We do not charge any credit cards automatically. It is based upon invoices. You only pay if you are happy with it, and it's useful for you. So it gives you a good 30 days for testing. Should you want to continue, just pay the bill. If you don't wish to continue, do not pay that. Now, with that in place, next thing you do is you have basically set up, after copying the machine ID, you have basically set up almost everything onto the NinjaConnect side. The next step is how to connect TradingView to NinjaTrader in order or to NinjaConnects. This is done through a tunnel which starts from a URL, a web address, down to your computer. So to do that, first of all, in order to set up ngrok, you search for the PowerShell onto the window like this, and right click on it and run it as administrator. It will open a nice window prompt, and then create a directory called NinjaConnects or NinjaConnect, whichever you prefer. Change to this directory, and then go to ngrock.com and log in and select the plan which is get started for free. Log in and go to this URL to download a Windows version of NGROC. So once you run the installer, you move on and you will see a command like this following. This is your auth token, this one. Copy this whole thing, and at that point in time, copy and run this onto this place like this. Once you have executed this, copy and execute the following command. Which is ngrock config add, and this command is also available in text format here. In the latest version of this document, it's also available in text format. Then you execute the second command. This one is config add. The next one is it starts the next one is that you go and edit with the notepad ngrock.yml. Your auth token copied from here will go here. Everything else will remain same. Only auth token will go here. Now enter the following command. After executing the first one, netsh, execute this command just like this, and that will tell Windows that it needs to open port 35426. Now enter the following command, that is to install the service using the file which you had modified in the previous step, this one. And then you ask ngrock to start the service using the config file which you have modified over here. Now with these two commands, everything is in place from ngrock point of view. Now on ngrock web page, locate a unique URL. That unique URL will be listed something like this. What you do is you append fc webhook to it. You copy it and append this thing, and when you run it, you will see status proceed. The only response which NinjaConnects provides back. This is the only response. Now enter the following to test the NinjaConnects. This command basically sends a JSON starting from here up to this here to NinjaConnects. What you will see that it has been processed. Now this has completed your NinjaConnects and NinjaTrader, that it is open and receiving commands, ready to receive these commands. You have tested it from this Windows PowerShell that this is working. If you see this issue, if you see this status equal process, that means it has completed. However, if you find an issue, you can go to support.ninjaconnects.com and simply use the forum to provide the issues you have, and you can email the log file which NinjaConnects generates in NinjaTrader's root directory, which is uh, NinjaTrader 8 under documents. You can take the log file and email to support@ninjaconnects.com. Now, this has completed your NinjaConnects part. So let us set up TradingView. I want to before we do that, I want to show you how we executed this command and got the statistical process. We can again do that, and you will see this command went over there and resulted in a long order. So this is how team TradingView. This is how TradingView is going to send the commands. So TradingView setup. On the TradingView, click on the strategy which you want to use. In this case, this is the strategy. So you go to the settings and you fill in all these commands which are going to be for open long, open short, long take profit one. All these commands are listed as they are expected. You can copy them exactly as is, except the secret. The secret must be minimum of 8 characters and must contain the pound sign. This secret must match the secret onto the received secret. This secret must match the one which is specified here. As you can see, it's the secret pound, and this is the secret pound. Now fill up all of the commands for open long, open short, long take profit one, long take profit 2, 3, 4, short take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the end stop losses for short, which is close long command, which is stop loss for the long, and the close short command, which is a stop loss for the short. Now when NinjaConnects receives these commands, it takes actions accordingly. It enters long or enters short as the command, like open long command is going to cause it to create a new long command. Open short is going to create a new short command, short trade. And long take profit one will create a long, will take the profit after, when, for example, this strategy is saying that enter here, but this is the profit target number one. So this is take profit one, take profit two, take profit three, and this is the stop loss. So it keeps on doing it, keeps on repeating those commands, and those commands which are sent can be seen on in the log. And how do you come to this? It's this place which shows alerts which we have defined and log. So this little clock shows complete log of the commands, and those commands show as they are sent trading from the trading view. They are received by NinjaConnects, and you can see in the output number one log. It provides you complete details, whatever it is going through, any commands, enter long commands, enter short. The exact JSON is replicated over here. Now, that means you have completed this entire thing by specifying where these commands are going to go. These commands, as we said, are going to go via the alert to with this is the message to the strategy to generate alerts, and these are the notification. In my case here, you can see it's a different place where the webhook is. What you are going to get is a much different look, and you can review the rest of the file and see the user guide how to use this NinjaConnects completely. This is the complete list of commands. You can copy them and paste them there. Just change the secret, and that's all you have to do in order to create a complete automation of TradingView strategies via NinjaConnects. I want to show you something small. You can also find a lot of information onto the NGGrok uh, website. This is where you will log in and you will download the program. This will be generated for you by NGRock. This is your auth token. Copy it from here and use it in the command or and in the config file. The config file, the location of the config file will be in this directory /NinjaConnects. You will keep it here, and ngrock.yml, that is the, you can edit it with notepad. Only piece of information you need to edit here is put the auth token, which you're going to copy from this, from NGGrok website. Put it over, copy it, put it over here, and then you don't need to execute these commands. As I have listed out, there's a different set of commands. This command is from command prompt, and it will hold that command prompt. If you close it, NGRock will get closed. Whereas installing this as a service into Windows is going to install it as a service, and you do not need to run it. You will see that install is okay. When you run NGRock as a service and start it using this YML file, which I was showing you, it will start it, and you can close the PowerShell after that. Don't have to worry. However, remember that this website, which is specifically unique for you, append the following FC webhook to this URL, just like this, and then you will see status colon cross. The same URL is used into the same URL is used to If you notice, this is the same URL, MUI, all the way to dev and slash FC webhook slash. There's the same URL where you are sending the JSON, and that's where TradingView will be sending the JSON for each of the action from enter long to all the way take profit and stop loss. Let's go and review these commands a little. And enter long, there's no difference in between among these open long, open short, or any of these commands except the action. So actions are for the open long, it's an enter long. For open short, it's an enter short. Take profit number one is long. For the long is long TP1, which is long take profit. Everything else remains same. Similarly, LTP2 and LTP3, LTP4, short take profit 1, short take profit 2, short take profit 3, short take profit 4, long stop loss, short stop loss. So this is the total detail, and hope you will enjoy it. For all the features and the functions, you can check the pricing. Right now we have a special price of $9.99 for every program we have, including the business. However, that this offer is for limited time, and once the time is over, we'll go to the actual prices, which are still lower than many other trade automation systems. Especially, your computers could be remotely located. So in addition to that, you can see that whereas the core functionality is the bridge between these two, but you can have as many computers you want. You can take large whale orders and split them into small orders. There is advanced hedging and risk management and a very robust design. Hedging allows you to buy on one computer, sell on another computer into two different accounts of two different prop firms, which is not illegal, but many prop firms don't like it. Then there's a liveboard protocol that in the start topology, they all communicate to each other, and if one of them gets disconnected, let's say at your home, whereas the other one running on a VPS near NinjaTrader will take over your trades and will provide an ability to minimize your loss and maximize your profit. You can use multiple charts and could go to multiple strategies and have multiple URLs. All of these computers, they identify that is messages for them through the secret. There are two types of secrets, one coming from TradingView to your computer and one from your computer to your next hop. It could be a LAN, could be a WAN, and each LAN or WAN could have another set of star topology or ring topology. You can locally replicate the orders up to 9 different accounts. That's another feature. One thing to notice is that these hours are per computer. So if there are 10 NinjaConnects running in this computer, these hours will be respected by all of them. But any order received from TradingView will be sent to the next hop, regardless of the hours. So the next computer can decide its own hours. So these are the overall major functions, and you can review all the features and the functions, complete information about setup, features, functionality, and FAQ, and so on. Now, this document itself resides the same place where NinjaConnects resides. So when you go to this place, you will see that you will find NinjaConnects.zip, readme.txt, set up NinjaConnects with NGRock. There is a complete setup defined here onto the which includes how to set up TradingView, how to set up your strategy. It describes how to set up NGRock, and then it describes how to set up using Cloudflare, where you can use websites like URL addresses like this. So one by one, how to set up a tunnel on Cloudflare with a domain name which you can choose from $8 to $12, $14. This whole service becomes free from Cloudflare, and you can use your own domain name, and you can have as many tunnels as you wish onto the Cloudflare, whereas NGRock limits these tunnels to few numbers. Alright, to the best of my knowledge. Now, I wish you all the best on your trading side and automating your strategy, and wish you all the best for a profitable trading using NinjaConnects. All the best.